Okay, so this week we are going to talk about civil communications, basically, how to have a civil discussion online about something that you may disagree with someone about. This lesson to me is one of the most important because it doesn't only pertain to online, it can take you farther in life in general. Because people are always ready to argue, but they are never ready to discuss. And through discussion, we learn so much about each other, and sometimes we can even change each other's minds, especially about political issues. So, for this assignment that we're doing, I decided to talk about the civil communications. This one has to do with a video and some discussion. So basically, it's really simple. What I would do is I would show my class this video about the Parkland shooting and how these students became active in society as a whole through social media, trying to spread the word and make some changes. I would show them that video, and then personally, I would have an open discussion in class, moderated, of course. I wouldn't want students just yelling at each other across the room. Um, the other option that I could do is a student handout, seen here. Basically, put name and date, and they answer written the questions. What are some of the big takeaways from Cameron's story, and what does he say about debating with people who disagree with you, and if you agree with him? Um, I really like getting class involvement through talking and discussion. So personally, I would discuss these with the class openly, respectfully, and I would try to ensure that everyone is calm, cool, and collected about it. Obviously, some political issues can get very emotional, and there are some issues that are political that shouldn't ever be political. But we have to be ready to talk about those as adults. And this discussion, this activity is for seniors in high school. So obviously they're starting to get into the age where they think about stuff more, hopefully, and they're able to kind of put their thoughts together a little better and kind of form their own opinions about things. So I think this is an important skill that high schoolers going into college and adult life need to learn. And I mean, it's a skill that is so crucial to life in general. It makes everything so much easier. So, this is the activity I would do with my class, and I hope I did okay for you.